Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you in the quickest and simplest way how to link your Battle.net account with your PlayStation. Let's get started. First, open Battle.net on your browser and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, just hit Create Account and you can sign up using Google, Facebook, Apple, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, or even Steam. Super easy. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon, then choose Account Settings. On the left side, select Connections. Here you'll see all the platforms you can link: PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Steam, Twitch, and more. Under PlayStation, click the plus icon. A message will pop up saying you're about to connect to the PlayStation Network. Click Continue, and you'll be taken to the official PlayStation login page. Now just sign in with your PlayStation credentials and follow the on-screen steps. Once you complete it, your PlayStation account will instantly be linked to Battle.net. Linking your accounts gives you awesome benefits like cross-progression, shared purchases, in-game rewards, and easier cross-play with friends on other platforms. If you run into any issues during the process, simply contact Battle.net support and they'll help you out. And that's it. Quick, simple, and you're ready to play across platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.